Okay, your GTA is not working and providing this error, then don't worry, just follow us. Okay, just start by fixing this exe error. You just need to download the latest patch from Google. I'll provide the link as well if I can provide you. Then save it and extract it. After extracting this patch, just run it, or if it's copy and paste, just paste it where you download the file, where you install the file, and then run it. There you can see my game is now working, and just wait to let it load.
Daddy's back, you bitches! Drive us to our place on Mojave. He's just up the road. I'll let you know when we're there.
Why don't you show me around the city?
Fucking terrorists!
What?
Terrorists! There's been a beach scare and you can't go across the bridges so good. You without the visa. I would stay in Broker. Fucking stay in Hove Beach. Everyone like us does.
I will give you the link of this game, full game with patch, so you can download and just play it. Thanks for watching. God bless us all.